Morning YouTube, I'm Simon, and I keep saying that this is my Contiki, and my wife's watched my videos. She said it's our Contiki, so this is mine and Sue's Contiki. And I've been busy over the last week. Obviously Benji sadly passed away, and we decided we'd get another one, another Benji. And here he is. He's crying a bit at the minute. He's got his little coat on, haven't you? Say hello to everybody. So that's Benji too. I think I just miss going for walks with him, really. Going to places that I wouldn't normally. Why would you go somewhere, you know, for a walk on your own? I never used to do it, so I used to do it with dog. But anyway, so we've got a new Benji, but he can't go out for 2 weeks. He's had his 2 injections, been chipped, and it takes another fortnight for the vaccine to be fully vaccinated. So then he can go for a walk. So let's show you where we are. Have to hold on to the door. So that's where we are. I was blown away then, it was that bad. Anyway, I've been here on nicer days, and I'll tell you what I saw. I'll show you the video. I saw Tyson Fury exercising just a bit further down there, and obviously he's local to Morecambe, so you see him all the time, especially in pubs and clubs and running up and down Promenade. A few other people that are from Morecambe that are famous. Obviously John McGuinness, the TT ace. Thora Hurd, the comedy duo Morecambe and Wise, Eric Morecambe, obviously from Eric Bartholomew, but he took the name Morecambe, he loved the town. Now the other thing I wanted to tell you was, what was I going to tell you? Oh, that was it. My granddaughter, she wanted to go, my brain's going, my granddaughter wanted to go out in the van. Now I have taken them out on a weekend. We went to Grange over Sands. They have a caravan park there, and it was great. They loved it. And we went to anyway, I saw a Facebook Marketplace. There was a rib for sale with an electric motor. I thought, oh, I'll have a look at that. Anyway, I bought it, and we went to Derwent Water, and me and my grandson Callum, who I'll show you a video of Callum, because he's, as we speak, he's just signed up for the army, so he's going to Foundation College for 12 months at Harrogate. Anyway, hello, this is my Callum. Where are you going, Callum? Come here, we'll ring the bell. Callum, we'll ring the bell. Alright. Daughter-in-law, grandson.
Just because you look away doesn't mean you're not on the camera.
Oh my god.
Signing his life away.
Stop saying that.
And we went to an island on Derwent Water. So I'll show you us with Callum trying it out. It's only a short clip. What I wanted to do, me and Callum went out on the canal. I wanted to make sure that I could get as far as I was thinking I needed to, and back, and how many batteries would I need. Anyway, I needed 2 in the end. So it was a really good day out. So I just thought I'd let you know, if you ever go to Loch Lomond or anything like that and you're after a rib, I have bought some inflatable canoes now as well, just so we can go out with kids, and then, you know, if there's any water where we are, we can enjoy it. But I'll show you the rib, have a look, and then you'll see what you can actually do with the rib. Tell you what though, you don't think we're going fast, have a look how far we've come.
It's a cat dog.
Obviously if you want in current, it'd be alright. Right, Sienna, can't start jumping about the boat. Hey, smile. Hey, we made it! We made it!
Let's have a look at this magical island.
Oh, can you hear them birds, them geese?
Yeah.
Let's have a look, let's see what's on this island. Oh look. Oh, nice, isn't it? Oh, when you go that way. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh look, they walked in. They live on here, don't they? It's their island, isn't it?
I think overall we probably travelled about 1.5 miles to get to the island, 1.5 mile back. Anyway, we all had life jackets on, it was all safe. We had oars in case everything packed up. So anyway, we got there and we got back and we had dinner on this island, and she enjoyed it, so it was a really good day out. So I just thought I'd let you know, if you ever go to Loch Lomond or anything like that and you're after a rib, I have bought some inflatable canoes now as well, just so we can go out with kids and then, you know, if there's any water where we are, we can enjoy it. And the other thing I wanted to tell you, I'll just go and get it, just bear with me. It's my camera, and it's a Motorola. It's a solid piece of metal. If you dropped it, nothing had happened to it, I don't suppose. I think it was about £50 from Argos. But I'll just show you a few clips of the quality of what this records when you've put it in the front of your vehicle. And the reason I've always got one, and I always have had, is purely because if I go through a traffic light on green and I'm on my own, or you know, and some idiots come through in a car and there's 5 of them, and they're swearing blind that their light was green, you've lost your case because you're on your own. Not with one of these. Anyway, I think this is the MDC 150 or 100. I'm not sure, one or the other. I don't record sound on it. And the reason I don't record the sound, you can turn it off in the settings of sound, purely because you can record more data, more video without sound. Sound does take up space on your memory card. So if you do without the sound, all you're recording is the actual video, time and date. And that's all I want. I don't want somebody hitting my van and me gobbing off at them. You know, shouting my head off before I get out and say, oh bloody hell, what have you done? So, but I don't record sound purely because you can get more footage on. And I've got a big memory card in there, about 32 gig or something like that. And this will record for like 5 days before it starts to write over itself again. 5 full days, that is. It's quite good. It's a good device. So, if you need anything for your motorhome or any vehicle, really, one of them is a must. I wouldn't go without one today. And I shall see you soon. It's just a quick update from me and Benji. Let's get Benji. He's sat there all on his own. Come here. What are you doing? There you are. There's our little boy. You saying hello to everybody? Well, you were only just it before. Anyway, see you soon. Go on, Tim. There you are.